In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 9, exercise 12.1, surface area and volume. Observe this question. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. What is shown in a figure? A wooden article was made by this is what one wooden article, and it was made by this wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere. We are doing what? Scooping. We are scooping out a hemisphere. Scooping out means we are doing hole. What we are doing? Hole, and in a shape of what? Hemisphere. So a wooden article was made by scooping out. By scooping, we are take out of this part, and this is in a shape of hemisphere from each end of the solid. From both the ends of a solid, we are doing this process. We are doing scooping out a hemisphere from both ends of a solid. We are scooping out a hemisphere. Clear? If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, this cylinder height is what? 10 centimeter. Value of h equal to what? 10 centimeter, and its base is of radius 3.5 centimeter. Cylinder base radius, cylinder having base is what? Circle, so its radius is what? 3.5 centimeter. So value of r is what? 3.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the article. So what about its solution? Total surface area of a article equal to total surface area of article equal to 2 times of curved surface area of a hemisphere, 2 times of curved surface area of a hemisphere plus curved surface area of a cylinder. Observe, simple. Once we observe this thing, then we can easily to find the answer. This thing is very important. Total surface area of article. How we are getting the total surface area? Once we scooping out hemisphere, then we are getting, this is what? Curved surface area. Curved surface area of a hemisphere. Similarly, and at that end also we are getting what? Curved surface area of a hemisphere. So two hemispheres curved surface area, 2 times of curved surface area of a hemisphere plus curved surface area of a cylinder will be what? Total surface area of a article. Clear? So what about the formula? 2 into curved surface area of a hemisphere, 2 pi r square, plus curved surface area of a cylinder is what? 2 pi rh. So put the values of r and h, both we are having in the question, no problem. 2 2 ja 4 into pi is what? 22 by 7. R is what? 3.5 into 3.5 plus 2 into 22 by 7. R is what? 3.5, and h is what? H is height and of a cylinder. This is what? 10 centimeter. Remove this point, we are getting 10. So this 10 to this 10 will be cancelled. 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35. Now remove these points. In the denominator we are getting 100. 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 20. 5 4 ja 20, 5 7 ja 35. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. So what things are remaining? 22 into 7 plus 22 into 2 will be 44 into 5. Multiply and add. 7 2 ja 14, 1 is remaining. 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 1 15 plus 5 4s are 20, 2 is remaining, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 220. Add both, what we are getting 4, 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 1 3, 374 centimeter square will be what total surface area of an article. This is the required answer. Clear? Observe again, simple question. What we are doing first, in the question we are having a wooden article, and this article is made by, this article was made by scooping out means remove this part as a hemisphere. Scooping out a hemisphere, we are doing scooping as a form of hemisphere on both ends. Clear? Then we want to total surface area. Cylinder height we are having 10 centimeter and base radius of a cylinder is 3.5 centimeter. So total surface area in which we will use, this part is what hemisphere and this is what curved surface area of a hemisphere. Similarly at that end also we are having curved surface area of a hemisphere. So this plus this, it means 2 times of a curved surface area of a hemisphere plus curved surface area of a cylinder will be what, add both, then this will be what total surface area of a article. We are using formula and putting the values and solving, then we are getting 374 centimeter square will be what total surface area of a given article. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.